Well, the fan on our pellet stove finally gave up the ghost. The blower fan, this one right here, you can tell it's kind of actually hard to turn. When it kicks on, it just barely moves. If you push in on it a little bit here and there, it spins up a little faster. So it's about 20 years old, so it's about to do some little service. We'll clean the auger and changing out that fan though. First thing we're gonna do, unplug it. When we pulled off the cowling that goes around this, it's right there. Where it just goes around, fits inside this trim piece. This piece is bolted on. I could take it off if I wanted, but I don't know that I need to. I think it's bolted on. Bring the flashlight up here. Actually, I think I can lift it right off of there. Let's try that. Yep, it lifts right off there. The little hooks there. This is a Avalon Newport Bay. Like I said, it's probably 20 years old, 15 years old, 20 years old. Haven't had to do very much to it. As you can see, it's been here a while. It's kind of dusty back here. Just a little bit. I mean, it's not bad. So let's pull that fan off. Okay, guys. So I got the old one out, put the new one back into place. So the old one, the way you get it out is you loosen the nuts and bolts off of this, and you can pop this out, which goes in that way, and then two little nuts and washers go off of it. Then you can just pull this. Well, there's on the other side, there's two more of these over there on the back side. Take your long extension and loosen those. Don't take them all the way out, just loosen them. Then you can pull this out of the bracket on the other side, because these are gone. These two bolts will be pulled out. So the other side you can loosen. And then you're going to take and turn this thing to get it out of here, because it just fits one way. And you'd think it'd be, you know, put it in with this towards the back and then flip it into place, but it isn't. You actually go up the top. So this is actually up on the other side of this bar to put it back in, and then slowly turn it as you get in, and it locks in. Then you lock up the back side, back into the grooves on the other side, and then put this back in. Probably gonna need two hands for this. Yeah, I'm gonna need two hands. I'll get back in. That hook back up, those studs back in with the two nuts on it. Now we're going to, and I had to take this off, this little air diaphragm thing, whatever this is. It just goes right here. Two little screws, we'll put that back on. Make sure the line's not kinked. Plug this bad boy back in. And screw that back on. All right, so we're put back together. We're going to get the vacuum, clean this up while we got this open. Check the auger, make sure it needs no oil or nothing. I don't think it takes oil, Singer oil or sewing machine oil or anything like that. And it looks like it's just an auger. All right, we got her back in place. Whatever that fringe black thing is that goes around it. You know, the trim's snug fit. Looks like we're not quite square on our trim here. That meant too much. Popped it out. Yeah, popped it out. But that's about where that needs to be, is about like that. So yeah, start it up and see where we get that fan going. All right, that looks better, I think. Plumbed out. Our system going. Oh, turn that down. Gotta have it all the way on low when you start these. I'll be back to you in a minute. And we're fired up. Fan's blowing out. We're all fixed. We can turn this down a little bit. Have a good day.